Yeah, so today I'm going to show you an AI voice agent that can answer custom product queries in real time over a phone call. The agent is connected to a live product catalog which is stored in Excel and it responds to the accurate prices, stock status, and product details. So, for example, if I show you my dashboard, uh, basically, yeah, so this is my product catalog as you can see here. So we have approx 20 products. I took it from I basically took it this data randomly, and it has the data of mobiles, laptop, tablet, etc. These are the basically the product names, their categories, their approximate price, whether they are in stock or out of stock, their ratings, and their description basically. So we initiated a web call. If I show you here, this is the Retell AI agent, product catalog assistant here. If I click on the product catalog and start a web call directly, basically we can do it here. So if I let me run it.
Hello, welcome to our product store. I'm your voice assistant. I can help you with product prices, availability, and specifications. What would you like to know today?
Hello, one second. Need to reset the.
I can help you with product prices, stock availability, categories, and specifications. Could you please be more specific about which product or category you're interested in?
What is the price of MacBook Air M2?
The MacBook Air M2 is priced at Rs 100 and 4900 and is available. It has a rating of 4.9 out of 5. 13.6-inch liquid retina, Apple M2 chip, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD.
Great. And can you tell me like what all products are out of stock?
The following products are currently out of stock. iPad Pro 12.9-inch, LG 65-inch QNED TV.
So basically, as you saw here, it answered correctly. Like this was the data, and similarly, user can ask various questions. So since it is a POC, but it can be extended to a real to solve real life problems. Like instead of hiring a salesperson, we can use this voice assistant, and it will be much more cost effective. And also, for example, in many stores, the sales executive is basically available for a particular time period. For example, let's say 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, but using this, you are always available to the customer. No need to basically wait for the user. No need to basically wait for the next day to contact to the store, and thus it's can be refined more, and we can use different voice agents to make it region specific. For example, for India, we can use another voice agent or voice model which sounds like an Indian person's, so that the user can have more resemblance and they can understand properly, rather than there might be some accent difference. But if the voice model is chosen correctly according to the demographics the store is in, so it would be a great product too. So to summarize, this agent basically, as I told, run 24/7, reads live from the Excel catalog, which can be updated from the user end, and handles natural voice query, logs every interaction, and can be deployed on real phone numbers via RetellAI in minutes, making production ready for any RetellAI e-commerce. So the tech stack is basically we are using FastAPI and RetellAI Customs LLM WebSocket, and optionally we can use OpenAI 4o-mini for even smarter responses. So this was the POC.